Yeah, so I grew up working, well, not working, but kind of spending a lot of time, a lot of my childhood at my dad's shop. I mean, he's been a cabinet maker for over 35 years. Originally started in construction and then transitioned to doing more furniture related stuff. And then sort of found his niche maybe 15 years ago now doing Murphy beds. And yeah, probably up until high school, I just spent a lot of time there. And then in high school, he actually employed me for a bit and worked part-time helping him build his Murphy beds. And then even after high school and college, I spent more time. And actually this last year during the pandemic, I spent 10 months of the last year up there helping him kind of run the business and building the product and doing it all. And yeah, it's been overall really great experience in life to kind of work with him and just work with wood. There was a period in my life where I, kind of wanted to step away from it and go do my own thing, which is why I moved to Southern California and pursued a career in film. But post-pandemic, I've kind of reignited my passion for woodworking and everything I've learned from him. And I'm still trying to, keep it in my back pocket whenever I can, which is why I've done these projects like the truck or, our kitchen remodel down here, different things. And I can see myself getting into it more full-time later in life too. But yeah, for right now, it's just really good to have all these skills that I've learned from him and everything that applies from woodworking to the rest of life. I mean, it's just nice being handy. So